Good day, sir. My name is January Abanto, G2C. I will discuss damaged water rights integrity. Damaged water rights integrity refers to a situation where a ship, hull, or components are branched. Allowing water to enter this branch can occur due to various reasons, including collision, grounding, storm, or even neg- count- countermeasure. This could include temporary patching materials, e.g. wood, metal plates, or patching compounds, unstable plugs, emergency showering, and the use of pumps to remove water more and an ever system might involves remove remove operated underwater anchorage rigs for inspections.